What's good, YouTube? It's Boardsy, and this is going to be a huge video that's going to answer some of humanity's toughest questions. Should you buy COREPADS or Tiger Ice Feet? You see, I have two G Pro X Superlights, and you don't know which mouse feet are on the mice. You want to know why? Because they're both PTFE stickers that you put on the mouse that have negligible differences in terms of actual performance. But Boardsy, I'm too spurgy to accept that answer and just buy COREPADS because you get two sets instead of one for like $1 more. Please explain the differences. Okay, but make sure to use code Boardsy at checkout. So with Tiger Ice Feet, wait, one second, I actually don't know which are which. Okay, I inspected the mice. I have COREPADS on this white Superlight, and I have Tiger Ice Feet on the black one. So now we're just going to do a multiplicity of tests, a profusion even. Here is the glide of COREPADS. Wow, seems pretty fast. Wow, but Ice Feet, they also seem pretty fast. Let's do a sound test now. Oh yeah, that seems like COREPADS are very marginally louder. That's fucked. God, I can't believe I recommended these for so long. Now the spin test, I will say, I think I'd prefer my white Superlight for spinning, but maybe not. Maybe it's just a matter of technique. I just realized I've had the dongle in my black Superlight this whole video, so it's fucked up the weight balancing, so all of these glide tests I've done to this point are invalid. Sorry about that, but yeah, I don't think there's much difference. I have the different feet on the, different colors of the mice, you know? I'll just switch it up, and it's like, wow, there's really no difference in terms of glide. It will change depending on your mouse pad, though. I'll give you guys something to work with. You're very welcome. The smoother the mouse pad, the more you're going to prefer Ice Feet. Does this difference really matter? Like, is it going to win you any games? Absolutely not. But on smoother pads, or just really control pads in general, I think that Ice Feet are, marginally better. Let's say, 5 or 10% smoother, and just, a more controlled feeling. And it's not even like COREPADS are bad. I've used COREPADS on, every single mouse pad I've reviewed. But yeah, if that's your scenario, just if you have a really smooth pad, you might prefer Ice Feet. Every other scenario, I just think COREPADS are a better value, so just why not get them? I think both are in stock right now, obviously. Give me your shekels, use code Boardsy. You save 5% now or something. Absolutely massive gains. Also, some general things about these mouse feet. COREPADS take a few days to break in. Don't call them scratchy on day one. That's how they are, and then they get less scratchy. And once these are broken in, I have both of these broken in, comparing them, the differences are just really, really minor, to the point where I recommend COREPADS because you get more mouse feet for your money. And I just think that makes a bit more sense than buying 2 packs of Ice Feet. But yeah, it is what it is. Get whatever mouse feet you want. Like and sub, use code Boardsy, live, laugh, positivity. Is there anything else? Oh yes, when you're removing mouse feet on Logitech mice especially, make sure you can see the fucking screws. Don't be an idiot and then complain that the mouse feet ruined your LOD. I just love making fun of that specific form of incompetence. God, nothing brings me such joy. But yeah, like and sub, peace. That actually brings me more joy.